I decided to set up a trail camera in the woodlands near my house. On the first night, I caught this badger, and I was keen to get more footage. The badger continued to show up at this location every night and was very interested in the camera. However, I couldn't find a set anywhere, but I knew there had to be one. Eventually, I found what I thought was the set, so I started putting the camera down there instead. And lo and behold, the badger comes along and marks it night after night. I continued to change the camera's position every single night in hopes that I'd capture something more than just the one badger. Luckily for me, the badger also had the same idea. Despite attempt after attempt of finding more than one badger, I kept coming up empty-handed every night. I started putting peanuts out there in the hopes that would encourage more badgers, foxes, any kind of animal really, to approach for me to catch on the trail camera. I slowly started catching more and more on the camera, such as foxes, owls, mice, you name it. But still just the one badger, until I saw the usual 1, 2, 3, and lucky number 4.